नमस्ते बच्चों। इस वीडियो में हम क्रिया विशेषण के और दो भेद के बारे में विस्तार से सीखेंगे। We will learn two more types of क्रिया विशेषण in this video in detail. तीसरा भेद है परिमाणवाचक क्रिया विशेषण। ध्यान से देखिए, watch carefully, listen carefully. परिमाण means quantity, the measurement, the weighing. परिमाण का अर्थ है मात्रा, the amount. जिस शब्द से क्रिया के परिमाण अर्थात मात्रा या नापतोल का बोध हो उसे परिमाणवाचक क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं। By which word we come to know about the amount, quantity or weighing. We come to know about the weighing. उसे परिमाणवाचक क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं। We call it as परिमाणवाचक क्रिया विशेषण। For example, look at the sentence. बच्चा बहुत रोया. The child cried a lot. Here बहुत परिमाणवाचक. It will indicate the amount of action. बहुत रोया. कितना रोया? बहुत रोया. He cried a lot. सोनिया खूब रोई. सोनिया cried heavily, too much, खूब. जरा सोच समझ कर बोला करो. Please think and talk a little. जरा, look at the word जरा. जरा, little. हमें उतना ही खाना चाहिए जितना स्वास्थ्य के लिए अच्छा है. हमें उतना ही खाना चाहिए. चाहिए means should. We should eat that much of. How much is necessary for health? जितना, how much. स्वास्थ्य के लिए आवश्यक है. स्वास्थ्य means health, for health. How much is necessary for health? We should eat that much of food. मनु थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलने लगा है. Manu started to speak little by little. थोड़ा थोड़ा, little by little. So these all word बहुत, खूब, जरा means little, उतना जितना. उतना means that much of. जितना means how much of. थोड़ा थोड़ा means little. These all words are some example words we used in sentence. Will indicate about the amount of the action. See some more example word. Look at the word come. Come means less. Thoda, little. Alp, very little. Thanik, also little. Noon, minimum. Kinchit, what is that? Kinchit, look at the word kinchit. Kinchit means very little. Bahuda, mostly. Kuch, something or some. Adhik, more. Paryapt, what is the word? Paryapt, enough. Coffee means also enough. Coffee. Atyant, very. Keval, only or very little. Itna, this much of. Utna, that much of. Jitna, how much of. Kitna, how much of. Or how many. Dirg. Dirg means, to indicate the, dirg means very long, very big. Guru also big. Boond boond, every drops. Swalp, very little. Anumanta hai, completely. Bahutayat, mostly, etc. Adi, etc. So these all words are example. More words in Parimanvachak Kriya Visheshan. Now चौथा भेद है, fourth type, रीतिवाचक क्रिया विशेषण. Riti means the way, the manners, how to do the action. The word will indicate the way of action. जिस शब्द से क्रिया के होने की रीति अर्थात विधि का बोध हो, we come to know about the way of action, is called रीतिवाचक क्रिया विशेषण. उसे रीतिवाचक क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं. इस क्रिया विशेषण से क्रिया के प्रकार, द मेथड, निश्चय, द डिसीजन, अनिश्चय, not having proper decision, स्वीकार, acceptance, निषेध, refusing, कारण, reason आदि का भी ज्ञान होता है. We come to know about these all things. So that is called a Riti. Riti, under the manners, these all things will come. Types, decision, not having proper decision, doubtful decision, acceptance or refusing, reason, also comes under the heading of Ritiwachak Kriya Visheshan. So let's see. हिबा तेज दौड़ती है. Look at the word. हिबा तेज दौड़ती है. हिबा runs fast. मैं चुपके से उसके पीछे खड़ा हो गया. खड़ा हो गया. I stood उसके पीछे, behind him, चुपके से, silently. अनिल ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ता है. अनिल reads carefully. ध्यानपूर्वक, carefully. It will tell the way of action. संभवतः वो आए. He came, possibly. संभवतः, definitely. कदाचित ये सत्य नहीं बोल सकता. He will never speak truth. कदाचित, never. शेर जोर से दहाड़ता है. The lion roars जोर से, loudly. The roars loudly. धीरे धीरे चलो, go slowly, move slowly. धीरे धीरे means slowly. मैं सचमुच नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go definitely. सचमुच means definitely, no doubt. आप यहाँ अचानक कैसे आए? How did you come here suddenly? अचानक, suddenly. तुम खेलने अवश्य जाना. You should go for playing. Definitely, you should go to play. Definitely. Avashya means definitely, no doubt. So these all were jor se, the way of roaring. Dhire dhire, way of moving. Sachmuch, the way of decision. So like that, all words will indicate about the manners, the way, the method, how to do the action. So let's see some more example. Nishchayatmak, having proper decision. Beshak, no doubt, without doubt. Vastutah, really. Nishandeg also, no doubt. Take he, very correct. Anishchayatmak, having doubt, not having proper decision. Pray, mostly, we don't know. Aksar, often. Shayad, perhaps. He may come, perhaps. Akasmikta vachak. Akasmikta, sudden action. To indicate sudden movement of action. Sahasa. Look at the word. Sahasa. That means suddenly. Akasmat, unexpectedly. Ekayak, also suddenly. Avrityatmak. Avrityatmak, a kind of repetition. Gatagat, rapidly. Dadadad, also rapidly. Kullam kulla, frankly. So prakaratmak, the method, the way. Dheere se, slowly. Jor se, loudly. Sigrata purvak, rapidly, quickly. Aap hi aap, oneself. So etc. So Riti Vachak, it will indicate manners, it will indicate reason, it will indicate decision, it will indicate unexpected moment. So we seen in this video two more types of Kriya Visheshan. So now it's a time to homework. So what you should do? Now types 3 and 4. We learned some new words. Copy these all new words, new adverb words in your classwork. If you have doubt, if you have a dictionary also, you can see the meaning for these words. Copy all the adverb words in classwork and recall very well now and then. So third type and fourth type, that means परिमाणवाचक रीतिवाचक शब्दों में कोई 5 शब्द चुनकर 5 वाक्य बनाओ, क्लास वर्क नोट में लिख लो. You should select any 5 words in each type. परिमाणवाचक 5 words, रीतिवाचक 5 words, and use in sentences and copy in classwork. So that is your homework. So please watch the videos, learn these all meanings, these all new words, and understand very well. If you have any doubt in this regard, please ask me in live classes. I hope you are following properly. When you develop vocabulary skill, you can develop your understanding skill also. So please read the words, learn very well these all words. Dhanyavad.